Hey everyone, welcome to the new video. I am Sivang, your cloud mentor. So we have posted a one video related to flow scenario. So today we are gonna give you the solution. So let me tell you what was the scenario. So if we go to case, so we need to update the case owner on the basis of account shipping state. If our state is Delhi, so we need to update a one user. If state is Gujarat, so we need to update second user. If state is Kerala, so we need to update the third user. So that was the scenario, and let me go to Salesforce. So this is the account we have. So right now if we edit the shipping address, so we can see the state is right now Delhi. So if we have a state Delhi and if we want to like create a new case with S4 account, so user one should be the case owner. So I have added a one query, select ID, name, username is active, user type from user, where user type is equal to standard. So we got a list of some users. So let's try to put some users randomly. So for Delhi we want this user. We can take a Aditya Singh for Gujarat, and we can take a third user Manisha Singh. So we have put these three users. So with the help of flow we need to update the case owner. So let's try. Let's go to flow and we can click on new flow. So here we will use the record trigger flow. So on which object we are creating? We are creating on case. Let's put that. So we want our condition on record is created. So our condition can be account should not be null. So put all conditions and let's put account ID here does not equal to blank. Okay, so this is your condition, and so we have different conditions we can see. So maybe you will try with the decision, but we will not follow this approach because we have a simple approach that can be solved with the help of formula. So this was the catch. So if you try with decision, that will be the long. Maybe if you have a 10 states, so then how will you do? So let's try with formula. So what we will do, directly we will get the users, get users. So here we need to put the user. Then we will use the name field. Maybe you can create the one custom field, but right now we will use the name, full name equals. So what we need to do here, so this is very important. So we will create a new resource, and here we will select the formula and get name. We will put text, and here we will use the case. So if you want to use the case, maybe we can select from here case. So what you need to do, this is a case expression you need to put. Let's break it down. Expression value 1, value 2, result 1, value 2, result 2, and else result. So this is the same thing we need to apply. So our expression is we need to get the value from the account. So our value is, we need to go to account and then we will select the shipping state. So we have selected shipping state. Our value 1 is Delhi. So we need to put inside between them Delhi. So our first user is Neha Sharma. Okay, and we will remove the space. Second user is Gujarat, and our second user is Aditya Singh, and our third is Kerala. Third user is Manisha Singh. And if our condition is not fulfilled, so we need to assign a one default user. So for that we can use a different user. Okay, let's try the check syntax. Gujarat does not exist. Okay, so this is valid. Done. So with the help of that, we are trying to get the record. So in full name we will get the username. So we are matching with the help of maybe state. If state is Delhi, so we will get the username Neha Sharma. So with the help of that, we have added a one condition, full name equals Neha Sharma. We will get a one user. So only the first record we will get. Then what we need to do? We need to update the owner. Update records and update owner. Use the case record that triggered the flow. Okay, fine. And we have a owner ID. So what we need to do? Get users from get users dot id. So this is the one that we have to use. So now let's try to save the flow. So this is very simple flow that we have created. We have done nothing but just we have created a one formula field. So now let's save it and try. Let's try to debug. So we have a case record, maybe this one 1034. Let's try. We are selecting 1034, then run. We can see we are getting the record. So we are getting the Neha Sharma because in that record we have selected Delhi. Okay, so we are getting that user and then we are updating that user, you can see. So let's activate. Already we have activated, so we can try to create a one case. Let's try case origin phone status name, fine. And what we need to do, we need to select the account. So we are selecting the same account right now and then save. So we can see the case owner. Now let's try to put different shipping address. Let's put Gujarat here, save. Then we will create a new case again, phone Salesforce, save. So you can see the different user. So this was the very simple flow. Just we have posted a one scenario on the YouTube, so you can try and now you can check this solution. So let me know in the comments how was the solution. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.